Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You should open Google Meet while signed into the account you want to use. This ensures calendar and contacts sync. Once there, click New Meeting to generate a room. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to copy the invite link or choose Add People Now, because sharing fast prevents delays. If you plan ahead, create a calendar event and attach the Meet link. This gives a time and automatic reminders, which helps attendance. Once people begin to join, you need to manage participant flow and permissions so the meeting stays productive. You can admit or deny entry from the waiting room and use host controls to mute everyone, limit screen sharing, or enable recording. This prevents disruptions. Make sure to test your microphone and camera early and pin or spotlight the presenter to keep focus. Also, use captions or layout options when clarity. To finish, end the meeting for everyone if you're the host, or leave and designate another host so the group can continue. This keeps control clear. Afterward, share the recording, chat links, and concise action items so participants know next steps. If something goes wrong, most commonly audio or connection problems, first check browser microphone and camera permissions, then reconnect or ask participants to dial in by phone. These quick fixes usually restore participation within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.